What's up, YouTube?
Here is Ithaca Falls, located in downtown Ithaca, New York, near Stewart Park. A great place to stop and enjoy a picnic lunch or just relax with a great book. With a drop of 150 feet and width of 175 feet, Ithaca Falls is the region's most powerful and impressive. By 1817, a half dozen mills were operating here. Their ruins are still visible on the south bank. The plunge pool is famous among anglers for fun run trout and salmon. It is the last of a series of waterfalls along the hanging valley formed where Fall Creek intersects the glacial trough of Cayuga Lake. As the saying goes, Ithaca is gorgeous. Ithaca, New York, and the surrounding area have more than 150 waterfalls carved out by glaciers that formed gorges millions of years ago within a 10-mile radius. Keep on coming back for more and come watch as we explore. Thanks for joining.